Most people treat their bank account like a garden of grass. They want to see green blades popping up every single day. If they don't see growth by week 3, they assume the soil is dead, they get frustrated, and they quit. But real wealth isn't grass. Wealth is a bamboo tree. Did you know that when you plant a Chinese bamboo seed, you have to water it and fertilize it every single day for 4 years? And for those first 48 months, absolutely nothing happens. Not a sprout, not a leaf. From the outside, it looks like you're just watering dirt. But in the 5th year, it grows 80 feet in just 6 weeks. Today, I'm going to show you the 5-year bamboo roadmap. We are going to look at the math that proves why your first 2 years feel like a failure, why year 4 is the most dangerous trap, and how to reach that 80-foot explosion where your money finally starts replacing your paycheck. In the bamboo method, the first 2 years are called the root phase. During this time, the bamboo tree is growing an incredibly complex, deep root system. It has to. If it didn't have those roots, it couldn't support an 80-foot trunk later. In your finances, this is your foundation. Let's say you're investing a set amount every month into a total market fund or dividend growth stocks. The reality, you feel like a failure. You see people around you buying new cars or going on expensive vacations while you're watering dirt. The math. Your account balance moves slowly because 99% of the growth is coming from your own deposits, not the market. The trap. This is where 90% of people quit. They say, I sacrificed 2 years of fun and my profit is barely enough for a nice dinner. This compounding stuff is a myth. The truth. You aren't just building a balance. You are building a habit. You are proving you can handle money. Without these 2 years of boring root growth, you won't have the foundation to support the wealth that comes later. By year 3, the sprout finally breaks the surface. It's small, maybe only a few inches. But for the first time, the growth is visible. In your portfolio, this is where momentum kicks in. Your tiny workers, the interest and dividends, are now starting to recruit their own friends. The shift. You'll notice that your account is growing by more than just the money you put in. The danger zone. Year 4 is the most dangerous year. This is when the tree looks like a normal, small plant. You look at your account and see a decent sum, maybe $20,000 or $50,000. The year 4 trap. You'll be tempted to harvest early. You'll think, I could finally afford that down payment on a better car. Do not cut down your bamboo tree to build a fence. If you spend that capital now, you are killing the tree right before the growth spurt. Year 4 is the final test of your vision. This is the year the world thinks you got lucky. In the 5th year of the bamboo tree, the growth is so fast you can almost see it happening. This is the tipping point. In your portfolio, this is when your annual returns can exceed your annual contributions. This is the mathematical explosion. Suddenly, a 10% market gain on your accumulated balance adds more to your net worth than you saved from your entire salary that year. This is the definition of freedom. It's the moment your money starts working harder than you do. You are no longer the one pushing the snowball. The snowball is now an avalanche. You cannot rush a bamboo tree. You can only provide the environment for it to grow. Here are the 3 nutrients you need. The seed. Choose a diversified compounding asset. The water. Automated consistency. If you don't water the account every month, the roots die. The sunlight. Time. Stop checking the price every hour. A bamboo tree doesn't grow faster because you stare at it. The next 5 years are going to pass anyway. You can spend them watering the grass of your daily expenses, or you can start planting your bamboo forest. One path leads to a lifetime of trading time for a paycheck. The other leads to a morning where the alarm clock is optional. Leave a comment below. I am in year 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Let's see where you are in the journey. Don't stop watering the dirt. The explosion is closer than it looks.